Struggling through your morning haze only to sip a bitter, scorched cup of joe from a cheap drip machine, or wading through a tedious, hyper-specific pour-over routine when you're already running late, is an absolute nightmare that completely drains your morning momentum. Standard coffee makers trap you with uneven water temperatures and poor saturation, leaving your premium beans tasting sour and flat. The Technivorm Moccamaster 53634 KBGV Select, 10 cup, 40 ounces. In its gorgeous limited edition Sorbet colorway completely rescues you from bad extractions and morning impatience, functioning as a high-velocity, barista-grade countertop workstation engineered to deliver perfect coffee house luxury in minutes flat. Don't let its retro-chic, pastel pink aesthetic fool you. Beneath that striking aluminum chassis sits a brutal performance engine handmade and individually tested in the Netherlands. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its specialized heavy-duty copper boiling element. While lesser machines struggle to even reach boiling point, the Moccamaster violently flashes water to the precise, industry-ideal brewing temperature range of 196 degrees Fahrenheit to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. $92 /circ /text seeth dollar to $96 /circ /text seeth dollar in seconds. This specialized heat control satisfies the strict Golden Cup standards of the Specialty Coffee Association (SCA), pulling out deep, nuanced flavors and rich aromatics while completely eliminating the harsh bitterness and unpleasant acidity caused by improper temperature management. Engineered to solve the real-world frustrations of rigid batch brewing, the KBGV Select features a game-changing volume selector switch. This mechanical upgrade optimizes the water flow rate and hot plate temperature based on your needs, allowing you to cycle seamlessly between a half carafe, 4 to 5 cups, or a full 10-cup pot without ever compromising on extraction depth or flavor profile. The water is forced through an innovative 9-hole outlet arm that evenly showers the grounds, mimicking a manual pour-over bloom, while the automatic drip-stop brew basket lets you pull the glass carafe away mid-brew without making a mess. Complete with an energy-efficient, independently powered hot plate that keeps your coffee perfectly warm between 175 degrees Fahrenheit and 185 degrees Fahrenheit, without scorching the oils, a safety-minded 100-minute auto-off timer, and an uncompromised 5-year warranty. It is the ultimate, stress-free kitchen upgrade for flavor purists, design lovers, and daily coffee drinkers who demand flawless, certified execution and elite countertop styling. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price on this stunning Sorbet limited edition. Drop a comment letting me know if you're flipping the Select switch for a quick half pot to jumpstart your workday or brewing a full batch for weekend brunch. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart kitchen tech showcases, premium coffee gear reviews, and ultimate product breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.